Hi my amazing people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you a delicious recipe, palourdes spaghetti. These are the ingredients I will be using for this recipe. Here I have palourdes right here. This is the main recipe I will be using. And here I have some pat right here. I have some olive right here. Here I have curry, basil, butter, liquid cream. I have salt right in here, black pepper, some diced garlic, and I have shallot onions. This had this recipe, guys. Okay guys, as you can see, I have some boiling water right in here. Okay, allow your water to get boiled. Add some salt to it. Okay, add some salt. You can use any pasta of your choice, okay, any spaghetti of your choice. Okay, you can use this type of pasta, as like I said earlier, any pasta of your choice. Okay, so cooking it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys. I'll be cooking the spaghetti. Okay guys, waiting for the spaghetti to get cooked. Right now I have a pan on the gas, on the pot I'll be using. Okay, now I'll be adding some vegetable oil right in here. Okay, add some drop and add some butter. guys for always turning to my videos, for watching, for your like, for your share. Okay, if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, you can see our amenities. Okay, as for those that did not know how to make what is called palourdes, you can see this is palourdes. This is the main eating, okay, the fish, okay, is being covered this way when it's cooked, very cooked, and it's open this way. Okay, if it's not cooked and it's closed this way, you cannot eat it. Okay, if it just close a little bit, that is not wet cooked. When it's fully open this way, that is when it's cooked. Okay, as you can see, this is very quick. Okay, you can eat it with your bare hands, or you can also eat it with this. Okay, right in here. Okay, like a toothpick. Just very yummy, guys. Very yummy, delicious. Okay, very delicious. Okay guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to on the bell notification so that anytime I have a new recipe, you will be notified. See you guys on my next video, and have an excellent week. Bye bye.